Hello, traders. John at StockBookie.com. Today is 10/29/2018, and this is our live stream here at the last hour of the day. Is everybody having fun? We are here. So we shorted Tesla today, got a nice trade off, and got the nice pullback, and we are out of Tesla. We almost, let's go to the SPY. A little bit more, guys. We would have took the SPY short. Just missed it. I almost added right here, and knowing to add a little bit more if it went up, and dang, we missed it. We filled the gap. I mean, this is a fake print here, but we did fill the gap. I just wanted one little more push up before we did and just couldn't get it. So anyways, what are you going to do? We got the nice Tesla trade and the markets, guys. What a pullback today. So everyone, hopefully everyone's having fun. You know the drill. If you have a symbol, you want me to look at it, pop it in there with the dollar sign. Tell me if you want to go long or short or just support resistance. We'll take a look at it. But right now, guys, we did fill the gap on the SPY at 265.25. This is your next area. It's getting ugly out there, guys. We had a trend line in here. I was watching this. They gotta save this thing, guys. I can't believe we actually moved down. We are not in a confirming downtrend. 139 on the Dow. Wow. Incredible. Let's see. I'm looking at a couple other things now. Let's see. Do you think Tesla will go up the next couple of days? If the SPY goes down, no. Everything's a market trade right now, guys. It's holding up on earnings, but now I look on the daily chart. We have a little bit of a topping tail. Not that it's a true topping tail, but we have the 618. Almost filled the gap today. We did get the gap window here at 344.64. I think this is just another push up to get the bulls on, and then they're going to slam it in their face. There'll be some news or some crap on this one that could possibly push this up, but who knows? This is one of those things where if we hold the 334, yeah, it could stay up there, but great retrace. Let's look at the weekly to see what the weekly looks like. Yeah, same thing inside these bars. Let me see this. I mean, you can make a case. You could do this every time it gets above that. You know that. You know, you still have the 350 area I really like, and then you have the gap fill as well on Tesla. But right now, news, earnings, everything's great now. Elon hasn't tweeted. Does this just keep going sideways? Possibly. We did fill the gap on Friday as well. If we close below that, then it'll be interesting. I got to look at a couple other things, and then you got to see. Oh yeah, Google. Wow, look at Google. Gosh, that was another one I was looking at, guys, the short this morning. What's up, B-Rabbit? Wow, look at that. This is getting ugly, guys. Damn. We're going lower, guys. I wouldn't doubt Google goes to 984. Well, 1,000 even number. That's going to right around 1,007. That's going to be a pretty good area. The next one's going to be the 984. What's up, brother? Yeah, it's getting ugly, guys. Jeez. Well, you know what they're going to do right now? This is when they just take all the bulls' money. They're buying the dip here, buying the dip here. Every retrace they're buying, oh, it's going up, huh? I told you. And then it goes right down in their face. This candle today is ugly, guys. That will lead us to lower prices. SPY's almost at the lows of the day. Facebook's getting hammered. BA's just getting annihilated today, guys. Damn. Look at BA just getting hammered. Here's your key trend line, guys. If this does not hold, BA's going lights out, guys. Lights out on BA. Damn, look at that. Remember, they had good earnings. Oh, BA. They had good earnings. Keep buying it. Yeah, but guys, good earnings. Look at the monthly chart. They better have good earnings. Look at this. This was a $28 stock back in 2009. It hit 400 in 2016. In the beginning, it was a $100 stock. It almost hit 400. First price target for me is 289. Then we're going right back to 200. Everything's getting smoked, Colin. Everything. I shorted at 341. Should I cash out? Tesla. Which one? Oh, for Tesla, I'm getting smoked on my Amazon shares. Looking to buy around 1,400. No, let Amazon go. I like the 1350 area on Amazon. And you know what, guys? If the markets keep selling, everything's going lower. I cannot emphasize that enough. SPY's dumping out now. Look, IWM's negative. Oh, my gosh. Qs are, gosh. Look at the SPY. Damn it. I knew I should have went in this one. Dang it. Look at that. You know, getting it. I was waiting for the 200 MA, maybe a little push higher, just didn't make it. Guys, we're coming into some support around 263.70 and a 264 even number. Did it hit the even number? Yeah. So hit the even number. It's trying to bounce a little bit right now. Next area here will be around 267.71. So watch for that, Bob. Oh, yeah. Well, B-Rabbit, China was getting smoked last night, another 2%. It's all coming down, guys. Sorry. This is where I shine, guys. Monthly. Look at monthly Baidu. I mean, it goes right up here. Tails, right back down. Baba getting smoked. Look at that. Another high flyer on the month. Look at the monthlies. Every high flying monthly charts getting smoked. Everyone's hopping into 3M, the PMs, all the Dow stocks with the dividends, all the safe haven ones, and those will be the next ones to get plowed, guys. Those will be the next ones to get plowed. All right, let's see here. Yeah, Baba getting cranked, wrenched on. Amazon getting wrenched on. ISRG getting wrenched. iRobot down off the highs. What else is getting killed? Win. Look at Win, guys. People are asking me to buy that one at 115, 120. I was like, let's wait. Let's wait for that one. Look at this. I love this 88. Look at that 95. We haven't done anything. I'm gonna wait. You got to wait for long positions right now until the markets catch a bid. Tesla's like the only one holding. If the markets keep going, Tesla's going down too, guys. Look for green names. And gosh, I love Alta. I'm really looking at this one, guys. I'm trying. You know, oh man, 285 a hit today. Shoot. Oh man. I love this setup, guys. I think, damn it, today would have been the day. I had stuff to do this morning. J&J prime to go down. Let's look. Remember though, people are going to hop into these because these are the safety haven plays. Yeah, you could short J&J. I mean, you know, you got to think it could go to 148. Still could go another $10 to 150. So take maybe a quarter position, half position. Make sure you have some just in case it pops to 150, 155, so you can cost average. Once you cost average, you just hold. Markets, look at that. SPY's almost at the lows again. Damn it. Dragging everything with it, guys. Everything. Be very careful in these markets. If you want to short J&J, do it. Knowing that it could go to 150, one more pop. But look at that. You get the retrace. Everyone buys a dip. This one's going right back down, guys. J&J's target for me, if the markets are weak, it could be a $118 stock this low right here. So if you want to short J&J, short it. Definitely. What else here? PM, you can short P. See, PM, it's just being a pain in the ass. That's what PM's being. We talked about it staying below the 200, but I also talked about if this thing pops, I am short PM. Next area to add for me at least will be about the 94, and then if it goes up the gap fill, which is about $100. Want to get in this one. I like that it popped coming off the lows. Nice retrace into this big red bar. Markets become weak, guys. These are all going lower. Period. Join the club, dude. I went in too early. Yeah, got screwed today long. Yeah, Amazon. That's brutal. Guys, you got to take trades with the market, period. Market's tanking. Other than you got the Dow stocks of Tesla because you got the Colt stock in that one. Everyone, you know, just buy the dip and everyone thinks it's going up. Let's see here. 341. Yeah, we shorted Tesla today. I don't know the exact number. It's been a hell of a day so far. We did. We shorted shares of Tesla at 343.50. We added more at 344.80. And then our average price was 344.15. We covered half at 340.50. We covered this half of the half at 335. And then we covered the last half at 331. So it was a good trade this morning. Damn, I almost took SPY puts. Like I said, a little bit more, we would have been in them. Damn it. Ah, oh, shit. I hate these are tough. Oh my gosh, we're dumping now, guys. Stay out of these markets, guys. If you're long anything, Amazon, just get the hell out at this point. just tighten the stops, lighter positions, smaller positions, guys. Don't do these huge margin positions. I went into early. Apple puts keeping me afloat right now. Yeah, take those. Get ready with those Apple puts. We got earnings coming up. If you're getting, we're right at double bottom on Apple too, so we could get a bounce here, guys. Nice. What is your price target on Amazon? Maybe I missed. Price target. Jeez, I like the 1350, guys. I'm sorry. Weekly chart. I like right in here, 1352. And if we don't hold this 1500 area, we're going down. Look at these long bars on the weekly chart, guys. Ugly. 1500's huge, though. We could get a small bounce there. Let's go to the monthly real quick. Yeah, still 1350, 1352. Look at this monthly bar wiping out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months of gains. Lights out, guys. I just don't touch anything now. Let these markets settle. We're 2-4. We had a 500-point reversal today on the Dow. Do you think this week's going to be good for the market? What is your opinion about the week performance? I don't really do opinions on week performance. I wait for closing price. SPY closes, daily charts. It's got to stay above this, the 262.33. There's really no pattern here, Chase. The event, what is it? The sun events. You're just going up and down, and slowly grinding down. You got the 20 curling in the price. You got the 50 MA curling over. You do have a little bit of a oversold condition, but you still have pivots down here at 259 and 254.75. And guys, don't forget to like the video. No. But yeah, gosh, I'm still pissed. Oh, these puts, guys, we would have had them at $4. They're at $8 right now. We would have had 100% on them. I'm sorry, members. I didn't chicken out. I was just waiting for it, with a push, with a gap up today and this thing going, everything green for the most part. I was waiting for certain levels to short this, and after the fact, of course, it's easy. Just be careful. I mean, look at this. Now we're down here. Let's see where I got this retrace coming off of. Yeah, I got a super big reach. That's the bigger retrace. So on a bigger time frame, the daily, which is this one here, we're running into the 750 retrace at 263.18. 259 will be the next area, double bottom, or this low pivot here. Volume today is 97 million. Look at that. I mean, it's not that great, but sometimes this will lead. If we get 150 million at this time tomorrow, we're going to be dumping. But again, markets are a little bit crazy right now, guys, up and down, up and down. I'm keeping my members out, a little bit on the sideline, doing more intraday stuff, in and out. I don't want to stick around because tomorrow we could be up 500 again and down 400 the next day. I think Apple earnings and the big earnings players coming up this week are going to drive the market somewhat. On every pop, we're going to short. I would love a retrace on the SPY. I just don't think we're going to get it. All right. So don't forget to sign up, guys. $30 a month. I'm going to be doing more live sessions like this. They're going to go private eventually for my members only, and I'm going to do some private stuff for my members possibly tomorrow, Wednesday. They're not all going to be free. For $30, guys, you get my trades. We've had over 400 trades on the year. In the last, since 8/16, guys, we had 62 trades, 7 losers, 6 still open, and 49 winners. That's not even including intraday stuff. Apple needs to hold the 212. Let's look at Apple, guys. Yeah, it needs to. The SPY starts dumping, guys. It's not going to hold anything. Yeah, 212. That's the area right there. It's holding it. See how it hit it and it bounced up? Look at that. So from here, 212.65, it bounced up almost $1. This is what I'm not touching this. Markets dump at this. You better look the hell out. Hey, a big put buyer bought some 3,500 puts on the 270. Was it November 9th? So they could be starting to short these things. They could be. I don't know if it's a shorting the puts, playing the decay, but you get 100 and something % move. Some people are trying to get in there. I'm not doing anything right now, guys. Where do people sign up? Just go to StockBookie.com, and there's a registration page on there, and you could pick a free membership or the $30 one. That's it for that one. Yeah, I'm picking up a lot of members in the last couple of weeks, guys. And just got another one today, which is awesome. More eyes on the market, the more we can make money, guys. Yeah, the markets just, let's look at the IWM. I want to see if that thing's coming into some good support. Win's getting clobbered, guy. I'm so glad we didn't do a trade on that. Great area to buy Win, but the market's going down. Yeah, we're not, gosh, even the IWM's getting smoked today. Qs at the lows. Damn, let's pull up the daily. Wow, guys, Qs are breaking down here. Holy crap. Qs, you're looking at 160. You got a gap fill right here around 158. Damn, guys, look at this crap. Just be careful, especially if you're going long. Small positions, guys. Small positions, period. That's why I'm holding. Yeah. 11.9s for the apples. Yeah, you know, just stick with it. I had a member ask me today about gold or USO, what I'm doing with those. Gold, I am long. I am long from, oh, gosh, let me see. I think the 111 area. So I'm long. The gold trade was done, gosh, a couple weeks back, guys, maybe even longer than that. And then the USO, we shorted that one too. That trade's coming in real nice. But the gold, the GLD trade, I'm just looking at when we got in. Guys, if you're a member, you could go to StockBookie.com, and there's a position list in there, and it shows all the positions that I'm in, when we got in them, when, you know, we added more, when we got out, all our exit prices, everything like that. But we took gold long on 8/17/2018 at 111.83. So at 218, we bought gold right here. Well, right here, basically. 218 I have? No, 817. So right there. That's when we bought gold right here. So got a nice reversal, almost closed above this candle, and then we got the up. We're just chopping around now, but as long as we hold this double bottom here, which it looks like we are, I think the first target will be around 120. And then I'm looking at this here about 123 or so. So we're in the driver's seat in this one. I got smoked on MU calls last month. Yeah, be careful with the calls, puts, everything. If you cannot handle loot, gosh, buys at the lows, guys. We're tanking right now. Go light or just sit on your damn hands, guys. This is where they're going to take all the bulls' money, guys. Now the bulls, they go heavy margin. Oh my God, I'm buying Amazon. Amazon's down $1.30 now. Breathe. I'm breathing, guys. Breathe. So gold, I'm in gold. I don't know if you want to, I mean, it's $4 for my entry up. I'd maybe wait for a pullback and get in and do that. USO, I'm short the USO, and this thing's setting up for lower prices. My average price, I think it's right around 15 bucks, 15 something. But we've done USO. We've shorted, covered half, shorted, covered half, shorted, covered half. This one went up on us a little bit more. We added slow and steady, and now we're right back in the money again. People had made a year worth of earnings with these moves. Oh yeah, but then when you on the downside, sure. But a lot of people are getting smoked right now, just getting hammered. They don't know what to do. They're just getting brutalized right now. I mean, we're hitting lows again on the SPY. You're not short, just let this market go, guys. If you're short, damn, I wish I would. These puts are $9 now. We could have had them at $4. I think they even went to $3.80 today. Damn it. Anyways, you know, what are you going to do? You know, story of my life, guys, we're dumping out. Just step aside. If you are long in these markets, protect these trades. We are in a pretty good spot right here, but if we don't hold this area on a closing basis, we could see big time pain. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is crazy, guys. Just hold on. Let's see if this thing holds this 262.33, guys. If it does, though, Colin, in the Apple puts, if you have, 6 of them, sell half right now, man. So take some of that money. If you guys are in any puts, sell something. Start chiseling some off, guys. Holy cow. IYT, IWM. Oh my gosh, guys. Google's just getting hammered. Amazon getting hammered. NVIDIA, BA. They're all getting hammered now. What are we? Look at Tilray. Oh my God. That's why I tell everyone to stay away from this name right now. Let this one go lower, guys. We're going to find a spot on this one again, though. Gosh. Yeah, let it go, guys. Don't even touch this one. Geez, is there anything that's Alta? Gosh, I would love. See, there's the ones where you pick on the stock. Look at, we took a NATI short. Look at that one paying us off now, guys. Woo! You know what? I'm going to pull half off that one. If you took the NATI trade, cover half that trade. Covered half. NITI short shares at, all right, let's see. Let me look at this thing right now. We could probably push down a little bit more here, guys. Let's see what we get. You know, I like the even. Did it hit the even number yet today? 47.08. Let's see if we can, if the markets, you know what? I'm pulling it off, guys. 47.20. I am out half. So 47.20. Nice. Look at that. We took that one we took that one on Friday. Look at that fall. That's why you got to take, just like the Tesla trade. I mean, Tesla's holding up because it's a cult stock. Everything's catching a bid now. So if you're in the NATI short from last week, pull half off. Gosh, we should, and I almost added more here today. I would have liked a little bit higher. I like this. I like around 51, 62, 52. Just didn't make it. Look at that, though. They got more people involved and they flushed it. Where's RHT? This one was a buyout. Still pulled back. Damn it. I was looking at that one too. Not anything big. I was looking at a Pierce of 175, 176, and never made it, but still, this thing pulled back almost $7-8. Nice though, guys. We got out of half of the NATI. Awesome. Once a month auto, so I don't have to remember to pay. Yeah, you got it. You got it, Freddie. Well, if you don't, then I just kick you out after the end of the month. So you could pay 1 month and then cancel it and then hold it for 30 days. Cost you $30. If you would have took the Tesla trade today, you would have made money. We had like 7 great trades in the last 4 days that just killed it, from puts to short shares. Just killing it. We had a great, what did we take? Google trade on Friday. I don't even know. We take so many trades, I don't even know anymore. Yes, I am getting smoked at 2,000 calls. People have made a year worth of earnings at these moves. Yeah. Oh, yeah. But all short. What about RHC? No, I'm not touching it. It was a buyout. I'm just saying 175, 176 I was looking at in the chart. This is what I was looking at for this one. Just never made it to my area. Just like the SPY did. I like this gap fill at 176.25, then double top. Just didn't get there. That would have been epic. But you see how they kept it short? So then, you know, people will be chasing it now. I just stay away from that one. But, wow, look at this crap. Damn it. I can't believe and you know, if you guys would follow me, you know I like to add. I mean, we're bouncing off that double bottom on the SPY. You got to know that. That's good support right down in here at 262.33. We got a pretty nice bounce, though. Damn, we almost got a buck bouncing right back down, guys. More selling. Every buy is met with more selling. But we were going to take the SPY short right in this area. Just didn't make it. Shit. I even typed it out on my Twitter feed for my members, and I was like, you know, let's see if we could get one more push up, and damn it. I got to be careful, guys. That's why my members pay me. I don't want to put too many people in pain. And I preach the small positions right now, guys. Both ways, long or short. You're not sure what to do, just don't do anything. This is where they take all your money. You know, everyone is buying the dip. Everyone who shorted down in here, we're selling and going long right here again. They're on the wrong side of the trade every flipping day, guys. They buy up here, they dump up here. They buy up here, they dump down here. They buy, oh, here we go. And now look, they're getting smashed again. Damn it, we're right back to the lows. And we have a 40 minutes left, guys. Next big area for me, 259.01. I'm not touching it. If we bounce back up, then we'll look for a trade. But wow, we're just getting murdered here. Damn, 374. Crap. We have them have 700-point reversal off the highs, guys. That's ugly action. That's called another institution saying, you know what, Uncle Jerome, I don't care what you say. We are selling today. This is all classic distribution, guys. Every push-up's met with selling. And now we're trying to hold this double bottom. If the selling subsides, yeah, we might get a nice push-up. Me, on the other hand, I'm just going to sit steady and watch this thing play out. Holy cow. Wow. All right, let's see here. Shops down. RHT. Starbucks is up, though. You know what? Starbucks. Damn. See, I've been trying to keep an eye on this one. Ackman got in it. You got to short it. That's just the way it is. Ackman gets in, you short this stuff. I want to see the weekly chart, monthly. You know what? That's not a bad setup. Huh. You know what, guys? I'm going to go short Starbucks. Short with shares. Swing short shares. All right, I'm short Starbucks. It's going to be a swing trade, but that's all I'm giving you guys. That's it. Live stream. All right. All right, guys, if you're new to the room, punch in a symbol. We'll take a look at it. We'll do some technical analysis. Take a look. Right now, we're catching a bid in the markets a little bit oversold on the day. Still no confirming downtrend or anything. So oh, look at this, SPY. We finally hit it, guys. Or we're kissing it. Look at that. Monthly chart. We always talk about the 20 MA first target. Next target is going to be 230 when it's all said and done. The markets really rumble. I think we could go down to 152. That's the monthly, though, guys. That's the monthly. Let's look at the weekly real quick. Yeah, weekly 232 right there. That's our target right now. We're not going to go, unless we go straight down. Geez, I hope not. But if we do, that's the spot where I'm going to be stepping up. And even 250 is not bad. Keep an eye on that one, too. If anybody wants me to look at anything, just punch it up. Symbol, long or short, or if you're looking to enter. Right now, be very, very careful in these markets. They're catching a little bit of a bid, but go smaller size, guys. You normally do 1,000 shares, do 500, do 250. You get these big pushes, down, and then you might get the slap back bounce up. My gosh, that was an ugly reversal today, guys. From a gap up, gap and crap, all the way back to the lows of Friday. My gosh. Only 106 million selling, though. If we had bigger volume, I would say maybe this thing could stage a reversal. But let's see what we get the rest of the week, guys. I think earnings are going to drive this bottom line this week. We're going to see, I don't even know. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, it's holding up pretty good, guys. Not, I'd like to see a little more volume in these when we're catching support to really say, hey, this might push up. Just be careful, guys. If you have puts in the SPY, just take a couple off the table, take some profits. If you take profits, guys, you will never go broke. Earnings this week, though. We got Facebook, Apple, Baba, GE, IQ, MA, Baidu, eBay, ExxonMobil, EA, Chesapeake, Teva, GM, UAA, Spotify, CVX, KO, SBucks. Yeah, I'm in that trade. I didn't go all in, guys. I got a smaller position. If it pops on earnings, I'll add more. U.S. Steel. It looks like Fitbit. ANET. Triple D. Rig. STX. And there's a bunch, guys. Today after the bell, though, Transocean, Viper, Akamai, Continental. Tomorrow they're going to start going off. And then after the close, Facebook on Tuesday, Baidu, eBay, FireEye, a lot of them. Then after the close on Wednesday, you got Fitbit, a couple other ones. But then come Thursday, guys, we got Apple. That's the one I'm going to be watching for. That could give us some direction in these markets. And before the open Friday, they got Alibaba going up. So some big earnings. We got to watch this. NVIDIA's coming up too. Got to keep an eye on that one. But right now, that's pretty much what we're watching. Yeah, gosh, that NATI, look at that. But that's because the market's tanked. If the markets didn't take, that one could have possibly went higher. Got to watch out for that stuff. All right, let's see. Where's support for Netflix? Short since 300. Got stopped out of NVIDIA. Had it at 193 for a long. I sold NTA too early. Yeah, I got to hold that one. Was shorting NTI. Yep. Made profit, but all good. Yeah, if you make a profit, hey, on to the next trade. I got stopped out of NVIDIA. I had it at 193. That's right. You took that. Yeah. See what happens when the SPY dumps? It's lights out. Look at that thing. God. Stock of the year, guys, getting nailed. Look at the monthly chart. Monthly chart's wiping out 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 months of gain wiped out in a couple of weeks, guys, on NVIDIA. This, I'm telling you, this thing has bad. We're going right back to 100. If you're long in this one and didn't take profits up here, oink, oink. Did you just sign up, buddy? Now, if you have a, are you TO? Those are your initials, Freddie? Then go, if you have a Twitter account, go to my Twitter account and follow me there. It's at StockBookie, and I'll put you into the Twitter feed too. Look at NVIDIA, though, guys. Just getting smoked. Or shoot me off an email with your Twitter account. I'm signing up on the 3rd. All right, thanks, Robert. Cool, dude. Yeah, let's get a bunch of people here. Yeah, of course I make money. I'm not going to lie. But honestly, guys, I make money trading. I keep it at $30. I might raise it a little bit, but I keep it at 30 so I can have everybody here, guys. For $30 a month, if you took the Tesla trade with 100 shares today, it pulled back like $10. I mean, you had to make a couple hundred on that trade. Period. So, StockBookie, I'm short MCY. Let's see. Is it green today? If it's green, yeah. All right, there you go. Let's see here. Monthly. Did they have earnings today? Gosh, a little more, maybe 50, maybe $60. I do like it though. I stick with it. Make sure you have a little bit more with that one. Guys, if you want to short MCY, it's not a bad trade setup. Let's look at some other, let's try to find some other reasons here. Yeah, right here. I like the 60. Just make sure you have room left for the 60 and this and maybe 61. I mean, it's only a little bit more, a couple bucks more. But if you say you're doing 1,000 shares, do 500 here, maybe 250 at 60 and 250 at 61.47. It could keep going possibly. Yes, they did. Earnings came out today. Yeah. Remember, it's a 3-day rule. You know, I don't mind you getting in, but make sure you take a small enough position. If the SPY starts dumping and it continues dumping tomorrow, this is going to go click and right back down. You know what? I do like that, though. I'm going to hit that one, too. Shares only for me, guys. Short shares, MCY, at, gosh, with the market, because if the markets catch a bid right now, because remember, we're at support, this could go a little bit higher. I like the fact that we did hit the 58.05 even number. But we could go a little higher, guys. Remember, this thing went from 41 to 57. Nice move. It's choppy, but I do love this breakdown bar here. Wish we had more volume in there. I was going to say, what's the volume? It's kind of a light volume name. We are in earnings, but just be careful. Remember, save some just in case. Markets continue lower. This will continue lower. All right. And if this thing pulls back, I mean, we get the $7 right back, we'll be done. All right. Yeah. See, I love this. Look at that. So see, I wouldn't even been looking at that stock, but thanks to you, Caesar, we're in this one now. So with the NATI, let's see where that one's going. I love that. That was another one from a member. Take a look at this. Look at this one, 47.11 now. So we covered half at 47.20 on the NATI. We're going to ride it down. I think we could get down to maybe $45. Unless the whole markets fall apart. I mean, we're at the lows again, guys. Crap. Look at this. This is insane. I did buy 180 puts on NVIDIA today. I mean, if the markets keep dumping, it will go down, but be careful with earnings on that one. So let's see here. What is it? MCY. All right, look at LLY too. We were looking at that one too. Yeah, this one still. Jeez. Yeah, this could. Yeah, it's not going to bounce. It did bounce today, but it came right back in. So you bought today, huh? All right, just keep an eye on those. If you start getting 25, 50%, get the hell out. This market's going to have to dump for those to really work out for you. I'm really looking at NVIDIA though. Let's see what we got here. I mean, it's starting to fall apart. Gosh, yeah, you're almost at support. If it starts to get to the 180 area, you might start thinking about taking it off. But it could. There's still a gap at 176 and still a 618 at 171.17. But you start getting these long bars, it could lead to lower prices. Let's see where this thing closes today. There's your next pivot, though, Caesar. 180.79. Remember, if the SPY bounces, this could bounce too. You know, if you're in the money, take something because you hit this pivot earlier today too at 184.85, which is 185 round number. So it could bounce back up to that. So just be very careful. Now, if you took this trade early in the day, I'd be begging you to sell. Get the hell out. Gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. I am sorry that I missed this day. Holy crap. And it was all based on the SPY trade, guys. Well, I was watching the IWM as well. IWM, see what happened here. IWM shot through the 200 MA and it started consolidating in a bullish base. Okay, we didn't get to this area here yet. The 150.76, I was looking at 150, and then this little pivot here around the 151.24. So I was lining that up with the SPY. I was lining that up with the SPY going, okay, if this hits up into this area, gets in an area, that could be a possible short as well, okay? But then I was looking at the Qs as well. Got to line them all up. I wanted to hit this area here. We barely touched this in the 750 read. Look at this fall. Holy crap. Wow. Netflix. I know I'm blabbing away here. NFLX. What are you looking for, Raj? Support on Netflix? Support on Netflix, 271.91 if it gets there. And the 275 even number as well. Let me pull up the daily chart here. Yeah, 271.23 right in that area. Let's look at the weekly real quick, see if there's support here. 271, yeah. I mean, we blasted through everything. I'm telling you, weekly chart, 165 for Netflix, guys. Everything should not be this high, period. And let me tell you, they're going to take every bull to the house. They're going to take their house, basically. Netflix, is that what we're looking for support on this one? I think so for you, Raj. Gosh, look at this. 2 Wow, look at these markets. Holy crap. Hey, guys, if you're live and you just signed up, shoot me an email with shoot me an email. Give me your Twitter handle, and then follow me on Twitter at StockBookie, and I'll get you into the room. Let's see here. Holy cow. I use Robinhood. I have reached my day trade. I have a small portfolio, StockBookie, $5,000. Hey, $5,000 can make you 10. Yeah, I mean, look, I mean, NVIDIA, if it keeps rolling, hey, if you make 100, 200 bucks, pull it, Caesar, pull it. Who cares? On to the next trade, man. Don't let trades go against you. I mean, SPY, everything's selling, guys. 271 on Netflix, and then 275 too, the quarter number. So it's almost there. So keep an eye on that. Because remember, if the SPY is at support right here, if it's going to hold it, we're going to see. We have a half hour left, and you don't want to be stuck in this market and then wake up tomorrow and we get another gap up tomorrow. But I mean, we're dumping. Holy crap. 259, 260, 259 is the next area on the SPY. At this point, guys, just let it go. It's good. This thing, it's going to drag everything with it. Period. Wow. Yeah, I'm only 75% cash. I have taken small. Cool. That's the way to do it right now, because you will get your ass kicked in these markets. They will take everything. But notice how if you're picking on some green names now they're going red. MCY isn't, though, you know, of course, but we'll get there. Let's see. Yeah, see how it's pulling it down, though? SPY, everything's dumping. It's just, I mean, it's grinding higher. You probably got a little short squeeze going on here. But see how it's just, once that SPY starts going, guys, it's going to take ever. Hey, Tesla's finally coming in, which is good. Yeah, Robinhood's tough. Yeah, if you're making money in NVIDIA, Apple, guys, protect those trades. I just want to look at MCD. There you go. VZ. VZ still positive. I mean, they're trying anything to get these up. Damn, guys. Their stuff getting just whacked today. Wow. Stamp. That was another one we shorted. Another high flyer. SQ. Another one. Should never have been a $100 stock ever. They got so many people in this one. Now they're slamming them. SPY, they're slamming them. They're slamming them on every level, guys. Splunk too. 128 to 90 bucks. Jeez. SQ getting hammered. Shop getting hammered. Look at Shop. Shop 170. I mean, look at this setup here, guys. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better setup to go short. Look at this. Everyone's going long, and the talking heads on CNBC, the time to buy Shop? No. Buy Shop about $100. Save yourself some money. Short today. Yeah, the F word, no. Yeah, $66. Oh my gosh. 17 on NVIDIA. Oh man, see how it's just dragging everything down? Now what's happening is margin calls, guys. Margin calls. That's what's happening. Everyone's flipping out now. Just breathe, guys. Small positions. Take a deep breath. If you're long in these markets, I mean, we got support down here. I think we're going lower, but let's see. RHT, is that? See, RHT's holding up because of the buyout. Qs are getting smoked. PM's up because everyone's going, child, wait, hold on here. Yeah, even look at this. Children's Place or whatever. Starting to come in now. Market's dumped. This is going to dump too. NVIDIA down $17. Holy crap. Netflix 20. Mealy even. This is another one. But it's Mealy. This should be a $700 stock. Look at this monthly chart, guys. High flyer. First target hit. This is crazy. Man. Holy cow, guys. We're just getting murdered. ISRG getting smoked. Intuit's coming in. HRS coming down hard. Google 65. We're making new lows on the SPY. Holy cow. Damn. Hey, thanks, Michael. That's awesome, dude. I don't know if that's good or bad, but maybe bring some trolls in here. Who knows? I don't even care anymore. Troll me. This one, too. We were short. Gosh, we should have held. Look at this one, guys. Straight up, straight down. That's a marijuana stock. Getting smoked. ALGN still coming in. Look at this high flyer. 1 month just wiped out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 months got wiped out in 1 month. High flyers, baby. High flyers. That's what we're doing here, guys. Damn. Adobe getting hammered. Apple down. Jeez. Amazon getting just annihilated. 1,300. Here we come. Oh, my gosh. MJ getting smoked. Is that another one? MJ. Oh, my God. Look at that. And then till TLRY getting smoked. We're going to find levels on these guys, these marijuana ones, and we're going to get into these guys. But the markets keep going. Yeah, NVIDIA, that's what I'm saying. Just getting hammered. We're going to catch a bid eventually. Look at this. We're 500, 900-point reversal on the day, guys. 900 point. Damn. These puts are $10.50. When I was going to post something, they were $4. Damn it, guys. I'm sorry. I'm in the money. F. No swearing, Colin. I know. I got to watch myself too. This is like a kid-friendly stream, or at least I like to keep it that way. Holy crap, guys! Apple at 208. Ay ay ay. Apple though is trying to catch a bid, guys. Let's see this. Let's see what's going on with Apple here. Yeah, they're trying here. They got to save Apple. They got to bring this one up. Yeah, we just filled a gap on Apple. This is interesting. Let's go back. Let's go to the 60 right now. Let's see if we could pull this up. Nope. Let's go to the daily. Daily. SPY breaks 260 shitstorm. Yeah, right? The shitstorm. Oh, yeah. Let me tell you. We filled the gap today on Apple, though, guys. At 210.33. Next gap. Yeah, we filled the next gap. Next area on Apple, 204. And then 197. And then 189. People are getting out now. Now, we talked about Apple, remember, in our last video. Down, sideways, chopping around. This is setting up for lower prices, which it is. Amazon, too. What did we talk about Amazon? Down, sideways, setting up for lower prices. Jeez. Filled the gap here at 15. There's another gap here at 14.59. If this 1,500 area does not hold on Amazon, it's lights out, guys. Holy crap. Tesla coming in hard now. Oh, no, it's Tesla. Hurry. Hurry, guys. Hurry. Holy cow, guys. Even Tesla coming in. Oh, my gosh. Told everybody, don't chase it. Don't chase it. Don't chase it. Oh, man. If they get more bad news. Oh, wow. 1,500. Holy crap, guys. We are dumping. Still, the volume's not that good, so we're set up for a reversal tomorrow. I would like to see 200 mil. I mean, I guess if it comes in hard and heavy, 14.97 on Amazon. Oh, they're making everybody sell. They're shaking everyone's ass out. They really are. I've been waiting forever for this stuff, and I've not made near as much as I hoped for. That's okay, Michael. Just stick with it, man. Look at this. Oh, we're dumping. Holy crap. Guys, I'm not touching anything right now. I'm sorry. I'm waiting for lower levels. I'm not doing anything. Holy cow. Look at this. We are dumping hard. Wow. All right, let's go to the 10-minute chart. CYA. Same here. Yeah, see ya? Is that what that is? I don't know. Dow down 500. Wow, shakedown city. Oh, yeah, they're shaking everyone's ass right now, guys. Everybody who's trying to buy the dip, they're just murdering them right now. And mostly all the people buying the dip, they're going all in. All right, 260, guys. This is the area. 259.01 I like. I'm not stepping up. I want to see it flush a little bit lower. 260 is a big round number, guys. If they don't bounce it, so look at that. We're almost a buck off the lows, guys. They got to come in and save this thing. They have to. 490 down on the Dow. Holy crap. Wow. Is everyone having fun yet? You are up on down days usually indicates a bounce next day. Not sure why, but always the case. Maybe. I usually, right? But when was this happening? IYR. I don't know. Even this one's setting up for lower prices. Had a nice retrace today, right back down. I think I'm holding this Apple put. I don't know, Apple. We're starting to hit support now, guys. We really are. And we're starting, if we get, let's see, we have 4 minutes left to this candle. Let's see what they give us. I mean, even Apple, guys, getting the bounce. Apple bounces, everything's going to get helped by Apple, so. Yeah, we filled this gap too at 207.48. So there's some gaps we filled on Apple today, guys. 2 gaps. We didn't get the 200. I would have liked to see 200 hit, but we could bounce here. Okay. All right, Freddie. Let's see what you got. All right. All right, brother, you're in. You're in the Twitter. I got one other guy who wanted to come in. I'm not sure if he's a new member. I'm going to have to find out. But, all right, let's get a handle on these. Everything's catching a bid. Look at the IWM, the Qs, the DIA, the SPY, even the IYT catching a bid. We still do not have a confirming downtrend on the day. We only have 13 minutes left, so. But we are getting a nice bottoming tail on the day. Yeah, the PPT, the plunge protection team. Yeah, exactly. Uncle Jerome's like, oh shoot. He's got Uncle Benny on the phone. Hey, Bernanke, what in the world? Look at that bounce though, guys. $2 bounce from that level. Damn it. Another buck, I would have taken that. I can't. When you get selling like that, guys, you got to just let it go. 259 would have been my level. We got a $2 bounce from that. If you took that level, get the hell out. Don't even mess around with this. We could go up higher. They got to get it back up above the 262.33 area to kind of calm the masses down. They're going to try. If another big seller comes in, guys, we're going to go straight back down to 259, maybe lower. We are catching a bid though, so just breathe. That was some fun stuff. Nice sell action. Damn, still looking at this. That would have been an epic trade for us. Damn it. The highest the puts got were 1036 on the Qs. The low of the day was 438. I was looking at the 268s too. Let's see that one. The 268s, the low was 360. The high was 924. Damn, look at that. So now we're getting a push. $2 bounce off that 260 even number. Maybe they're gonna try to save the day right into the close. They're gonna have to, because CNBC right now. I'm gonna have to turn them on. They must be white in the face right now. They look like they're gonna pass out. Oh my God, what is going on here? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Right. Hey, Freddie Mercury, go to the website too. Make sure you got that paid membership on there as well. You'll get my videos on there, my update on the SPY and all that stuff on that as well. You're in the Twitter feed now, so. But yeah, make sure you're on my website, and then you register there and get that membership. So I don't see. I mean, usually I get an email that I got a new member, paid member. I don't have yours yet, so just make sure you have that. You want to see my daily updates on the SPY and stuff. But wow, what a day, guys! What a day. Let's see here. I just want to taking a look at some of my positions, guys. I'm really being patient with some of my positions now in these markets. I'm short a couple stocks still. I really want to just take my time with these and get into some, and let them fall. I've been covering a lot of stuff a little too early, and everything's just tanking. I'm reading them right. I'm playing the monthly charts, and I'll get my 5-10% or whatever, and then they fall another 25%. It's like, dang. Let's look at GoDaddy. Yeah, that one's there. We were out of the money on this one, and we're right back in the money now. So, GoDaddy, Nike. Yeah, retailers trying to hold up here. Not doing terrible, but they're trying. SPY keeps going though, guys. It's going to take everything with it. So SPY's holding up okay. We got almost a $3 bounce off that area. Unbelievable. Look at CMG. Haven't looked at this one. Yeah, CMG's holding up, but they had earnings last week, so people are trying to buy the dip on that one. Because remember, it was a $750 stock. HLF. One's holding up too. I don't know if Billy Ackman's still in this one. This one's been doing all right. That one's been a pain in my side here. Let's look at CRM. Yeah, once the numbers come out, right, it's going to be lights out for all these names. Yeah, I'm holding tight on a bunch of these trades, guys. I want to see what these downside brings. The market keeps going lower. A lot of these high flyers are really going to come in hard. And when they do, boys and girls, we're going to get paid. Any thoughts on the Qs? Let's go to the Qs. Yeah, I mean, we're catching the bottom. We're catching this area here. Let's pull up the daily chart. Let's pull up the weekly so we can see a little bit. We're getting the beat down right now. Trying to hold up. Let's put the retrace from this low now. This high, where are we at? Yeah, look at that. 750 right at 159. I like the 159, 160 area, but you still have this pivot down here, and you still have the low at 150, so we can easily go down there. I still think weekly chart time frame, 200 moving average. That's where everything's going. Period. Here we go. I think Smile will break. Added a call on Apple in case we get a bounce tomorrow. Yeah, maybe we could, but we'll have to see where earnings are today. Nvidia, though. Nvidia got a nice bounce, too. Yeah, see how everything's bouncing now, guys? Because the markets are bouncing. Let's go back to the Qs. Yeah, Qs hold. Look at that. Wow. Another $3 bounce on that one, too. Yeah, they're going to bounce. You get a lot. If you shorted this thing here and you got this move, a lot of shorts are covering right here. Who's reporting tonight? I looked at that earlier. Let's see. Oops. Tonight, the bigger names. Let's see. After the close today, Rig, Wing, AKAM, Clack, MDLZ, PI. Any other names here? There's a bunch, but nothing like the Google or Amazon. Rig is all right. CHGG, VNOM, Wing, AKAM, Clack, Mendeley's, CLR, CGNX, PI, TXRH, AMED, VRNS, TREX. Yeah, there's a handful of names. Market's pulling back a little bit, guys. Nothing crazy. You got a nice bounce off that area, though. That was 160 on the Qs, 260 on the SPY. Guys, we're 314. So we're coming back a little bit. 6 minutes left, so we're almost closed here. I'll be selling that call on the pop on the morning. Yeah, if you get a pop, we could get a drop. Dead cat sucker bet bounce. Yeah, guys, it's always easy to see after the fact. Did I know? I was waiting right here for the SPY. Never made it. And then seeing this, it was like, but look at this. And we go down. Look at that bearish pattern. Can't get above the MAs. Straight down again. To go through all this too, double bottom, this pivot here. That's where it was trying to hold. And then boom. See the volume, though, picking up. Someone's coming in here. Shorts are covering. God, if you had this trade, that's epic. That's almost a $10 pullback in the SPY, guys, from the high. Crap. That's huge. Of course, Tesla gets a bid, buy the dippers. They just can't help themselves. They've been burned over and over and over, and they just buy the dip. Hey, I bought Tesla. I bought the dip. It's unbelievable. All right. Yep. So the fun is over. All right. Let's look at what else. What else was getting ROKU? Same thing. Look at that. Makes the high straight down. The high was 77.50. We're at $50. Everyone's stuck up in this one. So SPY, yeah, everything's catching a bid now. What a coincidence. What do you think about ATVI? Looking to load up around 60 bucks. ATVI. 60. Let's see. Not bad area. 57.4. I like 57.48 a little better. You got this low pivot here. Got some consolidation, but it's not the 50 or $60 area. If you're going to wait for 60, let's see if we can get to 57.48. But again, these trades have to go with the markets. If the markets are going up, these will go up. If the markets are tanking, these aren't going up. And then you got this big trend line here on the ATVI. That's the one that, this went into. It bounced up last time. That if this thing cracks, guys, coming off of a high pivot, this is going to be a $47. I like 50 bucks better. 47. Weekly 200 MA. I think we're going there. I mean, we could get a bounce here. I could be dead wrong. But for me, I'd rather not do a trade. I'm going to sit on the sideline. I'm going to watch this stuff. I'm going to go, see what happens. Look at Apple getting a bid now, guys. Damn, look at that. Jeez. Everything's catching a bid. Into the close. It's like magic. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, we catch a bid. But no, that's the selling pressure stopping, guys. And that's just short squeeze now. Everyone's covering their shorts. So, yeah, just hold off on this one. Let's see if we get down here. I don't know. I think they had earnings possibly. But let it keep going. Get 57. I love the $50 area. You got a gap fill right at 50. You got the 200 MA. Let me tell you, if the market's bounce, you get that short-term retrace, and then you're just going to get plowed again. It's just going to come into more selling. Yeah, you know what? It could be short covering too into the close. Remember, when you cover a short, it makes the market go up because you're actually selling. When you're shorting the stock, you're borrowing it. When you're doing it, when you're covering it, you're giving it back. Look at that, $2 down now. Unbelievable. Well, guys, they saved it. Not saved it, but they're trying to. 262.33 was the area. And that was just coming off the low the other day. And now they're pushing up the 750. Let's see if they can close above this one. What's that, 263 area? Wow. Let's see. A minute left. Let's see if they can hold that 263.19-ish area. Gold actually looks beautiful. Yeah, I love it. We've been in it since 111, I don't know, 53. The USO2 short. That was a good one, too. That one's coming in nice as well. All right, guys, let's see if they hold it. My gosh. Yeah, looks like they are. So this week could actually bounce tomorrow. So what I'll be doing, we'll do the live session tomorrow in the morning. And maybe buy some calls. We'll see. I'd still like to see more volume. I mean, we look at all the volume, guys. 100 almost. We're going to be pushing about 144 million. Someone just bought 1,000 puts on NVIDIA at 115 target. Seriously? They could 115 target. Dang. So we're holding that area, guys. Markets are closed. They saved the day. Let's see if we go negative. BAC. Let's look at BAC real quick. Yeah, everything's getting a beat down. Yeah, down sideways. If we retrace on this short BA, if you're our short BA from up in this area, great trade. Markets go lower. This is going lower, period. $21 would be my target. You still got some gaps to fill and stuff like that, but holding this, see how it went up, retraced, shot up. Look at the area that's holding. This is good support now in this area. So you got this one down here too. I like that area too. I mean, it just kissed it, 25 bucks. And you got the gap fill here with the 200 MA. So watch out for this one, guys. You get a rollover like that coming off a high. You get a nice retrace, led to more selling. That's telling me you get another retrace, possibly led to more selling. Yeah, oh yeah, 20. Oh yeah, easily. I'd say 21.41 on BAC. I mean, you've got a lot of support from this channel here in this area. that area cracks and it gets through there, we definitely go in here. I wouldn't doubt we fill this gap right here at 19 bucks. That's me though. Oh my gosh, this is insane, guys. Wow. Yeah, I have to turn on CNBC, see what these guys are saying. It's kind of funny. Yeah, wow. So Apple held up our, so they everything hit the areas, guys. Qs. Almost here though. 160 still didn't make it to the 160. Couldn't pierce it. You know why? Because everyone's waiting for that pierce up. All the technical guys. So the market makers just stop it and bring it right back up. What else here? Qs up a little bit after hours. No, nothing big. Trying to save the 618, but didn't kiss the 750 retrace and didn't fill this gap down here either. That would have made me feel a little better about a long trade. But right now, guys, we can easily go up tomorrow or we can easily get plowed tomorrow again. So if we get plowed, we'll be looking for lower areas to possibly going for a long trade. If it goes up, we'll be looking for areas to retrace. If it goes up, I'm going to let it go up to the highs again. Boom, short it again. So I'm going to play it that way. Easier. No more than 10% of your total portfolio in any trade. Just keep it small, keep it slow and steady. You'll get through this craziness, which is called the stock market. So right now it's just called getting killed because you know people are getting hammered. Gosh, these are tough markets, guys. But, you know, at least we can look at the charts and try to figure this stuff out. Damn, so Tesla was still green. Philip Morris is still green. What else is green? 3M. Pep. Want to watch the earnings? Nah, not. You know what? Rig maybe. I mean, you could probably pull up Rig. See what Rig's doing. Yeah, I see Rig's at a good area too. Gosh. Look at that. Look at that double bottom or triple bottom. Still have a gap down here to fill, though. But again, look at that. They brought it right back to double top, or they bring it up, slam it. Bring it up, short retrace, slam it. Bring it up to double top, slam it. Retrace, down, retrace, the big leg down. Holds this support right here. These candles here will become support. We already went through price and everything, but you got to keep it out there. Hit it, retrace to the double top, boom, short again. Wow, that one just tired me out. that one's starting to look like Tesla. Facebook looks like good R and R down here. I'm going long. Gen 180 calls. Hold on, guys. Hello. Yeah, I'm on a live session, mother. All right, talk to you. Bye. Okay, bye. For those who follow me for a while, you know my mother. When we're tanking, she'll give me a call, or if we're ripping up, she's like, "Did you see that one today?" I'm like, "Yep, I'm in a live session." I go punch up this guy, E-Whisper. He's pretty good. He's on Twitter and he's on StockTwits. I think that's E-Whisper. And he's got a bunch of stuff on there. Yeah, so if you punch up his name, here, check it out. I'll pull this in the screen here. Right here. So basically, he said earnings before open tomorrow. Here's all his earnings. Yeah, so this is great. He's got a bunch of followers too. But yeah, so boom, so we'll be looking at GE, MA, UAA, BP, KO. We'll be looking at all these tomorrow morning. If any of you guys are members, or if I do the live stream, we'll look for those. I usually like to have stuff settled down a little bit in the morning, especially if they're going up or down. Trying to find the best spots for the long trade or a short trade. I don't care either way. I'll go long or short. Doesn't matter to me, as long as it's a good setup. But that's where I get, yeah. So on Twitter, just punch E-Whisper and he'll pop up. Yeah, no problem, man. Yeah, what do you think of those Facebook calls? They look kind of nice and to me as well. Man, come earnings, I don't know. I'm staying out. I mean, you can just make sure you don't go heavy. Um, let's see here. I'm going to look at the little. You're going a little bit further out, so I'm going to look at the. See, I like them at 133, guys. I think we can easily get to this level here. And if Facebook has bad earnings, we're going to 115. We're going to fill this gap. Now, if they have good earnings, great. But if they have good earnings, then you're looking at 173, 180, 190 area for resistance. So if it starts moving up, that's the area you want to get the hell out. But if this thing drops, we were looking at a head and shoulder. This isn't really a good head and shoulder. We were saying if this thing popped up, it'd look a little better. But it does have a trend line here where it's breaking down. So we did fill the gap here on Facebook, and we're still going lower. So next big area is the 200 MA. Just be careful and make sure you do not load the boat on those. Oh, look who it is. Yeah, so, just be careful. Just don't load the house on these. That's all and I still think we got a little more pain to come, especially if the markets continue to dump. Facebook will definitely be here, if not lower. It's buy the dip mentality right now. People are just getting killed right now. But, to step up right now, it's not bad. Looking at the SPY, you got to go with the SPY trade and the Qs and everything else. And this hit some decent support today. I still think we're going to 250, maybe a little lower. This thing doesn't catch a bid, and Facebook, Apple doesn't have good earnings. We're going a lot lower, guys. So just be careful. Just watch those areas. Light on the trade size. If you're gonna, don't load the boat. If you're going in an option play, if you have 100 grand, no more than 3 grand, 3% of your total portfolio in an option trade. You don't want to get wiped out 3 grand and be done. If you do a share trade, then no more than 10%, guys. So at 10,000 is your max position, period. And right now, I'd probably do 5,000, just to be safe and then be slow and steady and willing to add. That's what you kind of want to do. Just slow and steady in these markets, guys. You don't want to get beat up. That's why I'm trying with, right now we're doing more intraday stuff. We're not loading up the house on these trades, and we're just getting in, getting out. Got to keep you safe. And let's see here. Oh, man. Wow, what a day, though. Jeez. So it looks like these are the puts are coming down a little bit more. Yeah, I saw some pretty good put activity. Some guys, they're probably trying to short these puts going into November. So we could possibly bounce. We're going to have to see. What do you think of those Facebook calls? They look kind of nice. Yeah, I mean, if you could pull it off, sure. Let's see what they So what are you guys looking at? January 2020? 180 calls? You guys are going way out there, huh? January 20. 180 calls. Where'd you guys pick them up at? Which one now? I expect lower numbers on growth, but higher on their ad revenue. Facebook will give bad guidance. If Facebook, Apple come in good, do you think the market will go up from there or bounce, retest, and run? Yeah, hard to say. I got to see what it's doing. I mean, we're in some support now on the SPY. If it doesn't hold, then Apple. What will happen? Apple, Facebook will probably pop if they do have good earnings. And if if everything still drops, the major indexes, they're all coming down. That's pretty much. So Facebook, January 2020s. Let's take a look at this. Have they just gotten the beat down? Let's see. Yeah, gosh, they have been getting a beat down. The high, they were $58. Then they were about $34. They're at $9.65 now. Yeah, they're just getting ripped. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. I mean, you're still, it's still a spec play. If you're going to do that with calls, just go light. You know, take whatever you're willing to lose. Put it that way. Markets are a little crazy right now, guys. Up and down, up and down. We caught some good trades. You know, today, man, I'm still pissed at today. We missed this trade by 50 cents, and this would have killed it. Not even. Well, I would have liked to pierce at 271. So yeah, what's the high of the day? The high, yeah, we missed it by about $1. Oh well, what are you gonna do? We tried it, you know, and I had it actually typed in, and I was like, you know what? After, so there must have been better than expected news at 10 o'clock. They pushed it up. I wanted to see one more into this area, and just didn't get it. And right back down, guys. But this nice push off this low, this could lead to new. Yeah, they saved it. Okay, they brought it even back to the 263.71 area. Stalled out there, so we'll have to see what happens on this one. So, all right, guys, that's it. I'm going to make some videos for my members today on the SPY and the indexes. Stay buoyant in these markets. Stay awake. Don't load the house either way, long or short. We are into some decent support. I'm going to look at the charts for a little bit and then pump out a video for my members. And don't forget to like the video. Sign up, guys. It's $30 a month. It's not a big deal. Check it out. We have a lot of Twitter trades. We had to do a lot of intraday action. We're doing a lot more free stuff right now, especially the live stream for $30 a month. You know, most of my members say they want the trades. The live stream's a little bit tough for them to do during intraday action, but that's why I'm doing them live here on StockTwits and stuff like that. I would love to have a couple hundred people in here for free, and we're all looking for setups and trying to find the next great trade. So. But what a beat down today. Never had a confirming downtrend, but we got the beat down pretty good today. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna be looking for areas for bounces. Watch earnings this week. That will somewhat give us direction in the market. And of course, you got to think what November 7th is, the voting, or the 6th or whatever, or the political crap too. And always keep an eye on Trump too. Robert, those 110 NVIDIA are straight. You only live once. Which one? I didn't see that one. Which one on NVIDIA? I see that one. Where's Robert's though? What? Let's see. Someone just bought 1,000 puts on NVIDIA 115 target. Yeah, those are, yeah, we'll see. That's interesting, guys. But again, you know what? Slow and steady, small positions. You know, don't kill yourself in this markets. For all I know, tomorrow we might be up 1,000 points and the whole thing's rallying. So just be careful. Protect yourself. Nice bounce off the bottom. We're up $4 off that bounce now. Holy cow! What a great bounce. And again, we didn't step up, but again, you know, we were waiting for the 270 or 259 number. Right below it. Just couldn't. Look, there's the pivot right there. Just couldn't get there. Dang. Almost, though. That's where everyone was waiting. At least the technical guys like me. So, all right, guys, that's it for today. Watch for my video, and then go from there, guys. Thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate you guys stopping by. Spread the word. Let's get some more traders in here and try to make some money during the intraday action. So, all right, guys, thanks again for stopping by. God bless. See you on the charts. Hey, what's up, guys?